Well, y'all, stats don't lie. So is this post-pandemic housing bonanza finally over? Let's take a look. Hello and welcome. I am Danielle and I'm a realtor here in the Houston area, and I help you either build or find your dream home before relocating. If you're looking to move to the area and would like assistance, feel free to message me. I would love to help you out. The Houston Association of Realtors just released what was happening in the last month of June, and it is indicating that there is a market slowdown. However, a market slowdown does not mean that there is a market crash or that it is now a buyer's market or even that sellers missed the boat. Inventory is currently sitting at about a 2-month supply, which is the most it has ever been since November of 2020. The last year and a half prior to this month, we had been anywhere from just under a month to a month and a half worth of inventory, so that is definitely an increase. However, in order to be considered a stable or normal balanced market, we would need about 5 to 6 months worth of inventory. So although it is going in the right direction, we are still not there yet. Home sales have dropped a whopping 8.6% in the month of June, and this is the third consecutive month that sales have dropped year over year consecutively. This means that not as many people have been buying as they have in the last 24 months. However, if you look at the numbers before the pandemic, they are still much higher than they were before. So we are still headed towards a correction, not a crash. Affordability. A few years ago, the average price for a home was under $300,000 here in Houston. This last month, the average price was $436,000, which is an 11% increase from last year of June to this year. My point here is that the market is still moving and the market is still appreciating. The biggest difference is instead of moving at 100 miles per hour, we're moving more at like 65 miles per hour. If the home is priced right and marketed, it will go. The thing is that we got really used to a market that was moving really fast. So now when things sit for more than a week, we worry that the market is crashing or that something is happening. This is normal, not alarming. It is normal to see houses listed for 20 to 45 days. It is normal for buyers to ask for repairs, and it is normal to correct the pricing of a listed property after some time. This is not an indication that the market is crashing or that market values are slipping. Interest rates and mortgages. We know that the Feds put a sharp increase on interest rates during June, which put a lot of buyers out of the market and brought the mortgage applications down 40% for the month of June. To me personally, this is probably the biggest reasons we have seen a slowdown. I mean, I know a lot of people are saying that interest rates are historically low. However, they are still the highest they've been in over a decade. My personal opinion is that the interest rates will probably level out somewhere between 5 and 6% by the end of your date. However, this should not stop you from buying or investing in real estate within your price range. Remember to marry the home and date the rate. The rate is not forever, and if they do drop again to 2021 levels, you will be in bidding wars and waiving appraisals, and it may cost you more than what the house would right now anyways. So is the market crashing? Absolutely not. I think we all got a little bit used to the market running at a fast pace the last couple of years, and we forgot what a normal housing market looks like. We are in the beginning stages of a market correction, and just remember that markets constantly go through cycles and historically continue to increase in price. If you would like a valuation of your current situation, or you are planning to relocate to Houston and would like assistance, feel free to message me. I would love to help you out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.